Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The In Vogue Mom. So today I'm going to make this lovely cheesecake you all will love. So let's jump into the video. So these are the ingredients you need. Some of them are optional, like cocoa is optional. So what all do we need? Firstly, you need digestive biscuit. I'm using Britannia digestive biscuit. You can use any, whichever you like. Then cocoa powder, then melted butter, a spring foam pan, sugar, and a blender. Okay, so I am here making two of these pans. So the quantity I am using in the blender will be more, but the quantity I'm mentioning will be for this pan only. I will obviously seclude that pan. I will just tell you the recipe for this much quantity. But when I'm making it for two people. So I'm going to make more, add more stuff here. But the recipe will be for this one container only. Okay, so for making crust for this particular pan, I've taken one entire biscuit pack and I've put this in my blender. And then with that I will put some butter, half a cup of melted butter I will pour. Now to this mixture I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and again 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can use normal sugar also because it's going to blend inside, but I'm using powdered sugar only. And now let's blend everything together. Now everything is blended. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spring foam pan and into this I'm going to layer this biscuit crumbs and just flatten it like this. I'm going to set this in the pan. Okay, so both my pans have been lined. You can see I have lined 1/4 of the pan with the biscuits, and remaining 3/4 I will layer with the cream cheese mixture. Here is a tip I would like to give you guys, that this particular crust can be made with only butter and digestive biscuits, or you can use any biscuit that you like, but there is one thing: when you add cocoa powder and sugar to it, the taste becomes better. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the fridge for the timing that we're going to make our cheesecake batter. For that much time I'm going to keep this in the fridge. So once we keep it in the fridge, what will happen, this particular layer will set, and when we put our another layer, that will set over it, and this biscuit won't become soggy. So that's what we want. So now let's quickly start up with making our cheesecake batter. Okay, coming to the ingredients, what all do we need for making our cheesecake mixture? One, you need a large bowl. Then you need 1 bowl of ice cold water. Then cream cheese. You can use this normal Britannia cream cheese also, or if you can find something like this, so this will be better. This is for 200 grams, and the other one, the Britannia one, is 180 grams. So you need 200 grams for this recipe, which is this Dairy Craft. I will obviously be using both because I'm making a big batter. So Amul cream, then strawberry crush or strawberry component, whatever you have. If you want to make your own strawberry component, that I'll do in another video. Right now fresh strawberries were not available, so I'm using this Cremica strawberry crush, which will give a very nice taste to your cheesecake. And you can use this, or you can make your own strawberry crush also. as you like, but this is used when the strawberries are not available. Then coming to our vanilla essence, gelatin sheets. These are 4 sheets that I'll be using for one pan, and obviously if you're making more you need more. You can also use powdered gelatin, that will give you the same texture as this, but I'm using gelatin sheets. You can use 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Instead of 4 sheets, you can use gelatin, 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. So what I'm doing, I am dipping this in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to keep this aside, and it will automatically dip. So here I've taken half a kg of fresh cream, which is cold. You will always have to take cold cream while blending, otherwise your cream will get destroyed, so that we don't want. So I am not adding any sugar because my strawberry crush already has a lot of sugar. So but if you're adding normal strawberries component, then please add sugar at this step only, because otherwise sugar will not dissolve, and please use powdered sugar only. And we're going to blend it for 5 to 10 minutes so that we get soft pecks of cream. Okay, so my cream is now whipped. This is the consistency we want, and now let's keep it aside in the fridge once again and get back to our cream cheese mixture. Now let's take another pan, and to which I've added 200 grams of cream cheese. Now to this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now to this I'm going to add 1 cup of strawberry crush. Now let's blend everything together once. Please ignore the mess. Okay, this has been blending for a while now. It looks a lot pink right now, but when you'll mix it with the cream, the color will get lightened, and please ignore the mess. This is how the final thing should look like. Okay, my gelatin is ready to be taken out in another bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'll squeeze the excess water and take it out in another bowl. Then I'm going to add 40 ml of water and melt this all together, either in a microwave, or I can do it in the normal gas. But I prefer doing it into the microwave. Just for 10-15 seconds I'm going to melt this with water. Okay, this is how the melted gelatin looks like. Now I'm just whisking it, and I'll keep it aside to cool down for a while. In the meanwhile, I will mix the other 2 ingredients, which are my cream cheese mixture and the cream. Now I'm adding the cream cheese mixture to the bowl of cream that we've already whipped, and we have to lightly mix this together in a cut and fold manner, because we don't want the fluff of the cream to go away. And once our gelatin is cooled down, we will mix the gelatin also in the same container. Okay, one tip I would like to give everyone: gelatin will make this mixture little runny, so whip your cream accordingly. Okay, now everything is mixed. I've even mixed my gelatin mixture, and I've taken this bowl out of my fridge. Now let's just pour everything in, and this is the perfect time to taste. If your strawberry crush is less, you can always add more. I just tasted it, tastes perfect. So I'm just filling the entire pan with this mixture, and then I will keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll take it out, and then we'll decorate it. Now the pan is filled. Now with the help of a spatula, I will flatten it. That's it. And this is ready to go into the fridge. Now the cheesecake has been setting in the fridge for 1 hour. So what I've done is I've taken it out and taken out the strawberry crush that I've used in the cheesecake. And what I'm going to do is, with the help of a spoon, I'm going to spread few tablespoons of this strawberry crush over my cheesecake. You can avoid this if you don't want it to be extra sweet. You can take it out, skip this step, but this will give your cheesecake a professional look as well as a very nice taste. Carefully cover the edges also. The edges are very important. Yes, this looks done. Now the strawberry cheesecake is ready to get back into the fridge. But one tip I would like to give, I have not added any sugar, as I mentioned earlier also. If you are not using the crush, so please add sugar to your cheesecake. Now I'm keeping this back into the fridge for overnight setting. But if you don't have that much time, at least give 6 to 8 hours to the cheesecake to set properly. And once it's done, I'll show you how I unmold the cake. So it's day 2 today. Now the cheesecake is set. Now slowly unlift the pan. This is how the final cheesecake looks like. It tastes heavenly and looks so divine. I've already tasted it now, so I know it tastes heavenly. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I did making it for you guys. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for all the updates. Thank you so much for watching.